Hi guys and welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing Vegan Mum. Well, what craziness is happening? Tier 4. I didn't know there was a tier 4. Who knew there was a tier 4? Okay, so sad news. Christmas is kind of cancelled. And I'm really sorry to hear that. I know there are a lot of families that are really disappointed. But it's important to keep ourselves safe and healthy. So anyway guys, this week what I have done is I've made a lovely recipe, very simple, very quick. I got some green bananas and I made a beautiful chili sauce, and I had that for my dinner this week, and I'm going to show you how I made it. Now before I go ahead and show you how I made it, I've got a few things to say. And all of next week you're going to be seeing all my ideas for Christmas, so please do me a favor and support me and subscribe if you haven't done it, and of course watch the full videos. Now what next? And also Christmas Eve at 7 o'clock I've got a special surprise video to show you, so please look out for it. I'm really excited about it. Christmas Eve 7 o'clock, watch this space. So let's get into it and let me show you how I made this lovely recipe. Here's my smoking hot pot. So as you can see, I'm going to soften this. I want it peppery, so I'm going to add some chili peppers. My kids love chili and spicy things. Some turmeric, because it's so good for you. And then we've got some cayenne, because I said we want the spice, so we're going to layer up the spice. Then we're going to do some all-purpose seasoning. And then we're going to do some mixed herbs. I'm generous with that. As you can see, I don't do lots of oil, but it's got a little bit of oil in there and it's cooking through and softening so nice. Also guys, I have added some sea salt as well. My friends on my vegetable store gave me loads of tomatoes. Here are the tomatoes. They're going to go into the blender. With the blender, I have already got some and then I'm going to add this and I'm going to blend it all together in the blender. And here we go. It's all blended, and now I'm going to add that back into the frying pan. And I'm going to get that to cook down. I know there is a different or a bigger frying pan. I'm generous with the tomato sauce and I'm generous with the tomato puree. My dad gave me all his green bananas that he couldn't manage. My bubble and I, we're having a birthday party for Afwa, and we're having musical statues. Cayenne, where are you? Right, you're right, Aqua. See, you're moving on one leg. Out! People are cheating already, right? Alright, here we go.
Make the whole crowd go nuts, right?
Birthday girl's out.
Yay.
What? I can't live it. I thought we were out. Why are you dancing? Different song, good moves, alright? You're out. Panini. What's this panini?
No, holiday instead.
Oh, holiday. Hey, it's a holiday. Oh, that one. Panini. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. What? It's a holiday. And hi, Johnny. Oh, look at that. My house looks mashed up on YouTube. Okay, so that game was a tie, so they're going to have a dance-off. Is everybody in the dance-off, or is it just the 2 dance-off people?
Everybody.
Everybody, okay.
Everybody.
All right, so select the song.
Everybody.
This is what's going down.
Everybody.
After's birthday.
Everybody.
Yeah, same thing, innit? We'll stay with the same musical structures, right? Potato. People are trying to do my things. You want to press it? Oh, you want to be a controller?
Yeah.
No, only the adults are the controllers. The mummies.
Now you're in the.
But now the birthday girl.
But I want the most though.
You want the most. This is my dinner, guys. I hope you like my recipe. I hope you like my adventures and my vlogs. I wish you happiness and joy during this holiday time. Do me a favor, subscribe. I've got 300 subscribers. Can you get me to 400 subscribers? Don't forget, every single day this week you will get a Christmas recipe from me. And on Christmas Eve, 7 o'clock, Facebook, little surprise. I will see you next time for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl.